Your F&I menu should support your dealership's style and workflow, not force you into a new one. In this video, I'm going to show you in only a few minutes how to build a complete professional F&I menu in Gridfire, and save it so you can reuse it instantly on every deal. Plus, stick with me to the end to see some of the most powerful features in the system. All right, let's go. When you log into Gridfire, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. This is where all your saved menus, templates, and deals live. Make sure you're on the menu page where you can create, recall, and reuse menus and templates. To get to the menu page, click the tab with the Gridfire logo. For this example, let's create a new finance menu. In the finance templates, click the new car module, and a window will open with a menu ready for you to customize. In your new menu, a deal window will open automatically. You can open or close it anytime by clicking the payment displayed at the top. First, I'm going to show you how to enter a deal. It's super quick. Just fill in 5 fields and you're ready to go. In your deal window, edit the days to first payment. Next, enter your amount financed, including taxes and fees. Then enter your sales tax percentage for products that may be taxed. And finally, enter the term in the Term 1 field and the rate in the Rate 1 field. If you want, you can add a second term and rate in the Term 2 and Rate 2 fields. Click Update and your payment appears instantly at the top of the menu. Next, across the top of the menu, select your location, enter the customer name, and add the vehicle make and model. Okay, on the left is your product bar. This is where you can save products for each menu. And here you can store up to 20 products per menu. To edit your products, click the edit icon on any module. Here you can change or add the title of the product and even add a logo if you like. Then edit the term and mileage. Next, enter your price. Also, you can double-click the price field to add the cost. This will, of course, be hidden from the customer. Then, select the category for your product. Plus, a cool new feature is that you can select a pre-saved product that you have stored in your account. And finally, enter just a short, clear description of the product. These first fields we just edited show up on both your digital and printed menus, so everything stays clean and easy for your customer to follow. Further down, you can enter a more detailed description of your product. And you can add up to 3 supporting bullet points. Also, you can include an alternate term and price if you want to make a quick change during your presentation. Now, these details will appear when you click on a product in the menu, and I'll show you exactly how that works in just a moment. Then just click the Update button to save your product. With Gridfire, you can completely customize your menus. This is a 4-column menu, but you can change the number of columns at the bottom, and you can personalize each column by clicking the title and entering your own label. Now, what makes this software so easy is that you can simply drag and drop products into each column to build your menus. And you're free to create any menu layout you'd like. Be sure to check out our updated videos for real-world examples of menu builds that our clients have shared with us. These are proven menu formats with real success. For a clear look at your menu, you can hide your toolbars using the Hide button in the bottom left. Now, like I mentioned earlier, when you click any product in your menu, the detailed features and bullet points will be highlighted for your presentation. Also, click on the 3 dots in any product block to dynamically change that product's details. You can select your alternate price, change the terms and the mileage, or manually adjust the pricing. What's great is you can move products in and out of the columns, and even delete an individual product from the menu. On the bottom toolbar, you can show or hide product prices and payments, show or hide interest rates, and display payments as monthly, bi-weekly, weekly, or daily. Also, you can change the menu to a cool factory theme, and even flip the menu. Plus, you can color code products and hide logos, or show the payments with 1 term, 2 terms, or hide the payment completely. Plus, you can click the logo at the top to change it to a different logo, or even to your own dealership's design and branding, which is all included at no cost. Another great feature is that you can send a digital survey, or print a clean, clear, readable menu, and even send it directly to a tablet for an effective digital presentation. Once your menu is set up the way you like, just save it. Now you can reuse and edit this menu instantly from your dashboard. That's how easy it is to build a menu that fits you, your workflow, and your dealership's goals with Gridfire. If you're watching on YouTube, I'd appreciate your comments and feedback. And be sure to subscribe so you're notified about new F&I techniques and ideas as we share them. Thanks for watching, and remember, Gridfire offers a full access 30-day trial with no contract, commitment, or credit card required. Plus, we include white glove menu build and onboarding to get you live fast. I hope this gives you something you can use, and here's to your next success.